Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale customer relationships with Salesforce step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current customer relationship management processes. Identify the key areas where improvement is needed. Set clear goals for what you want to achieve with Salesforce. Choose the appropriate Customize Salesforce to align with your specific business processes. Utilize Salesforce's account management features to keep track of customer information. Integrate existing data from other systems into Salesforce. Train your team on how to use Salesforce effectively. Encourage team members to update customer interactions in real time. Leverage Salesforce automation tools to streamline workflows. Use reports and dashboards to gain insights into customer relationships. Monitor customer feedback through Salesforce's survey tools. Implement a tailored communication strategy for different customer segments. Regularly assess the effectiveness of your strategies through metrics. Make necessary adjustments based on the insights gained from data analysis. Encourage ongoing learning and adaptation within your team. Utilize Salesforce community resources for best practices and ideas. Celebrate successes and recognize team efforts in improving customer relationships. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.